RFF recently acquired 3 macadamia orchards encompassing 259 hectares of macadamia trees. The orchards are located at Bundaberg in Queensland, known for its subtropical climate and plentiful rainfall. Bundaberg is a recognised macadamia production area. One of the things that drew RFM to the macadamia industry was its similarity to the almond industry. Although the trees take slightly longer to mature, the horticultural practices are similar. Thus, RFM intends to take its expertise in almond knowledge and apply it to the macadamia orchards, maximising their potential. There are numerous processors in Bundaberg, all who have a marketing arm as well. Australia is the largest producer of macadamias and exports 70% of the macadamias, mainly to the Asia-Pacific region. The orchards are leased to 2 parties. The first party is a managed investment scheme that encompasses 234 of the 259 hectares. The managed investment scheme was established in 2007 and has roughly 120 separate growers. RFM will lease the remaining 25 hectares, and this is in keeping with RFM's philosophy of being an investor where RFF is a landowner. The macadamia orchards are due to settle in March. This follows a meeting of growers that appointed RFM as responsible entity. RFM is also acquiring the entity that undertakes the farm management, and this is in line with RFM's focus on farming in areas where RFF is our landlord. The acquisition of these 3 macadamia orchards represents our first measured step into the macadamia industry. Subject to identifying appropriate lessees and assets, we would like to expand this interest over time. We see this industry in its early stages. Looking back 10 years ago in the almond industry, there were very few corporate players. We expect that the evolution of the macadamia industry will follow a suitable path. The industry fundamentals are very strong. This is supported by the recent free trade agreement, which sees a reduction in tariffs to some of our largest trading partners, being China, Japan and Korea. We look forward to growing this investment over time and being one of the largest producers of macadamias in Australia.